Just like I'm always searching for the best expert advisor on the market, I'm also continuously looking for the best prop firm. And look at that, I found one that is called Infinity Forex Funds, and they have algo evaluation and they have standard evaluation, which means that they separate the high frequency trading robots with the standard manual trading, which makes a lot of sense and grabbed my attention. If I show you a little bit lower, you will see that they have the two options, and if I show you further below, you will see that the algo evaluation comes with one phase and target of 10%, which means that if you have a profitable EA that can achieve 10%, you can pass the challenge and there is no time limitation or maximum trading days. And what I'm planning to do with this prop firm is to pass it fully automatically with the Perceptrader AI, which you have probably seen from some of my previous videos, and it is the newest expert advisor from Valerie Trading. It is a combination between Waka Waka and ChatGPT or AI, and so far I have tested it on a demo account and the results are promising. Look at that. I have it on one MetaTrader and so far the results are very steady. You can see that since mid-July until the moment, or that's about 1 month and a half, I have plenty of trades that open and closed with the very low volume of 0.01. Just 1 or 2 times the expert advisor increased the lots to recover losing trades, but nothing really dangerous for the account. So I thought that this is probably the best third-party EA that I can use to try passing a challenge fully automatically. And you can test yourself the robot for free. I'll leave the link down below in the description, and as well you can see that the price sits still at $1,620, which is below the average of all Valerie's EAs, and they're increasing the price with every 10 licenses sold. Now what I will do, I will go back to the Infinity Forex Fund and I will select the plan that I will start with. If we compare the prices, we'll see that for the $25,000 challenge, I will pay $249, and for the standard evaluation, the price is $169. For the $200,000 challenge, it is $899 for the standard evaluation, and it is $1,179 for the algo. So you notice that the algo evaluation is a little bit more expensive, but I'm trading with a robot, so that's the one I have to pick. And if you scroll a little bit lower, you'll see comparison between the Infinity Forex Funds, the FTMO and my Forex Funds. The price is definitely cheaper with the standard evaluation. So I will start with the €249 for $25,000 because this is what I do with every new prop firm that I test. So if I see that there is no problem with the payouts, I will increase the challenge and I will go for a 200k and even further. Now I will add it to my cart and you will see that there is a chance to win 10% discount bonus if I spin the wheel. But because my channel is growing thanks to you guys, I have asked the prop firm to arrange a discount coupon of 10% for all of my subscribers. So if you decide to grab the challenge, you don't need to spin the wheel, but you can enter a coupon code Petko 10 and it will discount the price with 10%. Now I will enter all my billing details and I will start the challenge. And here we go, I have purchased the challenge. You can see my order details and I immediately received an email from Infinity Forex Funds with my account number, master password, investor password, and I will download MetaTrader 4 for desktop. So now I will install MetaTrader on a VPS and I will show you how I will place the Perceptrader AI and what are my expectations from that robot to reach 10%. And I have the platform installed on the VPS. I use Forex VPS, by the way. Check out the link down below in the description if you want to have a reliable VPS for Forex trading. And you will see that on this VPS account I have already 4 accounts. So I have the King Robot trading on a demo account, I have the Waka Waka trading on my FTMO funded account, and I have the Waka Waka trading on my live account with Darwin X. So now I will start a challenge with the Infinity Forex funds and I'll put the Perceptrader. But before I show you the inputs that I'll be using, let me show you what is the performance so far from the Perceptrader AI standard mode with 5 pairs. You can see that main account started in May 2023 and we are at the end of August. So we have June, July and August, about 3 months. It achieved 100%, but this doesn't mean that it will achieve 10% within 1 month. With this account you can see that it reached nearly 100%, but there were a few drawdowns that are acceptable for a regular CFD account but not for prop firms. So with prop firms we need to lower the risks, so we will stay with their trading objectives. So in the demo account where I'm testing the Perceptrader so far, I'll show you the properties and you will see that I still use low risk set, and there are plenty of parameters that you can set. The good thing with all of Valerie's EAs is that if you have any questions you can write to their support and ask for the set files according to the account where you will be trading, and that's exactly what I did. So she sent me a set file that is exactly suitable for the challenge I'm starting with the Infinity prop firm. And if you look now at the inputs, you will see that I am going to trade fixed lot with 0.01. It is dynamic lot based on the balance. The deposit load is just 0.25 and we have maximum spread protection of 5 pips. If I scroll a little bit lower, you will see that the maximum daily drawdown limit is set to 4.5, which is exactly what I need on the Infinity Forex funds. If I go back down to the algo evaluation, you will see that on my $25,000 challenge, I will have exactly 1,125, which is the daily drawdown. And a little bit lower we can see the trading hours, the currency pairs that the expert advisor will be trading on, and you need to put it just on 1 pair. That is good enough on the M5 time frame. And if I scroll even lower, you will see some more about the machine learning setup, take profit settings, the stop loss settings, and there are a lot of inputs that I'm not covering, because if you decide to test the robot for free, you will receive a detailed manual with everything you need to know to get started trading with the expert advisor. And at the end, I'll take the risk to make the video a little bit nerdy, because I want to show you exactly what are the expectations when it comes to the period when the expert advisor should pass the challenge with the inputs I showed to you. One more time, on the standard account there was a bigger drawdown of 1676, something we can't afford on the prop firm. So with the settings that I have, I run a back test and you will see that the total net profit was $686,331 of net profit, but that was for a period above 7 years. And you will see that I accomplished profit factor of 2.17, a very balanced line with over 10,000 trades executed. So what that means? I have run the expert advisor on unique mode with the set file since 2016. The EA made over $600,000 of profit in 7.5 years. So the average yearly result is 886,000 divided by 200,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 7.5 minus 1, which is 21.95%. And the average monthly result is 886,000 divided by 200,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 7.5 times 12 minus 1 equals to 167%. And solving the compound interest formula for the time it takes to make 10%, we get log 220,000 divided by 200,000 divided by log 1 plus 0.219515 equals to 0.48 years, or that actually means 5.76 months on average, or it will take about 6 months for the EA to pass the challenge. Good, we don't have maximum trading days with the Infinity Forex funds, and with certainty I will have 10 minimum trading days. I can assure you about that. But the Perceptrader AI is fully automated, so even it takes 6 months, it is alright with me because I'll keep it on my VPS. It will work together with ChatGPT for the latest market forecast, and I will not have to do anything manually. So even it takes 6 months, it is alright for me, because after that, if I get funded, I will earn money fully automatically. Hope you guys got the idea, and I really hope the last part of the video was not very nerdy, and I really thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. I will leave all the links down below in the description if you want to do the same test like me. But before you go, check out the complete review of the Perceptrader AI and you will see if it is the robot for you. As always, don't forget to trade safe, and I love you. Cheers!